Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask. We used to say Amazon, but now we are going worldwide, my friend. Why? Because we ran out of all the masks to test on Amazon. We're going to keep going until we've tested every single mask. We went to the FDA's website and we pulled down 100 manufacturers that are FDA cleared, which is the highest level of surgical mask that you can get. And then we reached out to those manufacturers if we couldn't find them on their websites, and we bought their masks directly, or we asked for samples. So this is a sample from a company, what's it called? It's called Surgical Face Mask. What's the actual company? Oh, DVOT. DVOT. Let's put it in the clamper and see what happens. Now, this is a 510K mask. Remember, the highest class of masks are not FDA approved. A lot of people call their mask FDA approved. If you see that, you know that they're lying to you. That's not a thing. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency machine. And we are doing the FDA test here to see if they meet standards. Now, they are claiming on the box, 98% sub-micron particulate filtration. That uses 0.1 micron latex particles, which is exactly what we put into this machine. Actually, just to mix things up a bit, this is what it looks like. We buy ours from Thermo Fisher, 0.1 micron. This bottle costs $400 for just this little bottle. We got it in the machine. We're shooting it through the mask for you to see if it works. All right, let's take this out. This is a Chinese manufacturer, and they are saying the exact. Oh, I don't like this plastic. Actually, this plastic's soft, but it's like it lets smells through, so I don't love it. Pretty well put together mask though. Oh, come on. Of all the 510K masks, I think that was, well, there was one Canadian one that had a really bad ear loop. Whoa. Oh, wow. Oh, I'm gonna call this smell salad fingers. Ugh. That's horrible. That's the worst smelling mask. It's probably that bag, you know, who knows like what, you know, special hell, this logistical hell this box had to go through to get to us. And this like bag is not thick enough to like block smells. All right, but are they meeting their standards? Now remember, it's an ASTM level 3, 510K cleared. That means the FDA had to also do a test to verify that this mask was meeting standards. So what do you think? Think it's gonna do it? 98% or better is the spec. 98.145. 98.145. That's great. Right on the nose. All right. Okay, DVOT. Not bad. You know, I wouldn't choose the mask because the smell was a little bit strong for me. Construction I've seen better for 510K mask, but they did hit their fabric number, so that is good. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time and attention and doing a lot of tests here, right? So we will see you every day at 10 a.m. is when we drop new tests. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on that next test.